In this Know Your Lexus film, we'll look at how to connect your Lexus to the Lexus Link Plus app and make the most of every mile travelled, whether you're in an electric, plug-in hybrid or self-charging hybrid. Start by downloading the Lexus Link Plus app from your usual app store, then sign in or create a My Lexus account. If it's your first time, just follow the on-screen prompts. The app will guide you through setup. With the app installed, you'll need to connect it to your Lexus. First, in Lexus Link Plus on your phone, go to My Garage, then add vehicle to begin. You can connect using either a QR code that displays on your Lexus multimedia system or by supplying your vehicle identification number or registration plate. The app will then guide you through the process of connecting. You'll only need to do this once and it helps unlock all the app's features. Lexus Link Plus is more than just a remote control for your car. It's designed to be your driving companion. It gives you real-time information and control over your car's charge status, range, interior temperature, location, and more, right from your phone. You can take control of key systems and schedule the timing of charging sessions to fit your lifestyle and take advantage of lower electricity rates. You can make sure your car is ready to go when you are and keep running costs low. Using remote preconditioning while your Lexus is charging allows you to set the ideal cabin temperature before your journey starts, optimizing your range when you unplug and depart. Your Lexus gives you access to one of the largest charging networks in Europe. And when it comes to finding charging points, the app can do all the searching for you, showing live availability and directions. It's all about making every journey smoother, smarter, and uniquely yours. The app also shows your current battery level and predicts your driving range based on real-world conditions. To get the most from your journey, keep your car charged. Use the vehicle precondition tools while it's plugged in, and use the Lexus Link Plus connected services to plan ahead, especially on longer trips. Even simple things like keeping your tyres at the right pressure can help you go further too. You'll find the correct pressures here. For more expert guidance, explore the Know Your Lexus series or contact your Lexus Centre. Thank you for choosing Lexus.